Welcome. In front of me is DELL G15, and in this video I will show you how to check battery health on this laptop. To do this, open the search menu and look for the CMD program. Once you input CMD, you'll see this command prompt application. Run it as administrator. Click yes. In the following field, input power CFG / battery report. Once you enter this command, press enter and then copy this path. Select it and right click on it. Then you can close the CMD program, open your web browser or file explorer, and in the path field, paste this path, press enter. Now scroll down to the installed batteries section, and here you'll find information like design capacity and full charge capacity. And the design capacity is the original capacity of the battery installed into our PC, which for this laptop is 56 watts an hour, and the full charge capacity is the current capacity of the laptop's battery, which as you can see is significantly lower and it's 41 watts per hour. So basically, when your current capacity is significantly lower than the original capacity of your battery, that is the time when you should replace your battery. There is no specific level of the battery at which you have to do this, but generally speaking, you can see the difference between this and this. And if you think that you should at this point replace your battery, then go ahead and do it. And basically that's how you check your battery health. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.